warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Adinda Clara Putri Maharani, and with my member here, we are from TI 2020I. We are going to talk about system file distribution, and in this presentation, we are going to talk about the introduction to the distributed file system, and then we're going to talk about the architecture, the key features, and then we have the example, and for the last session, we have the conclusion from our presentation. So here's our presentation. Enjoy.
Architecture of distributed file system. In a distributed file system, the overall storage space is managed by a DVS, which is composed of different remotely located smaller storage space. The system ensures transparency, security, performance, reliability, and availability of the file system service.
And file replications. The system may replicate file across different locations for reliability and availability. On today's presentations, where the topics based on distributions file systems, I'll talk about the key features. The key features of distributions file systems are here follow. Transparency. Distribution file systems provide naming and location transparency where the file names does not reveal the file's physical storage and the file physical location is hidden from the user.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fikri Haikal. I will explain about key features about remote file access. What is remote file access? Users can access files from remote locations as if they were stored locally. Next. Remote file access. Remote file access offers several key features that make it a valuable tool for individuals and business. Like here are some of the most important ones. Okay, next, accessibility. Uh, Anywhere, anytime, access your files from any device with an internet connection, regardless of your location. This allows you to work remotely, share files with collaborators across the globe, and usually access your data anytime needed. Next, cross-platform support. Most remote file access solutions support various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. Uh, this ensures you can access your files from any device you prefer. Next, security. The first one, authentication and authorization. Securely access your files with user authentication and authorization protocols like passwords, two-factor authentication, and access controls. This ensures only authorized users can access specific files or folders. Uh, Number two, encryption. Encrypt your files while transferring an address to protect them from unauthorized access, even if somebody intercepts them. Next, additional features. Offline access, download specific files or folders for online access, allowing you to work on them even when you're not connected to the internet. file synchronization, automatically syncs for your files across all devices, ensuring everyone has access to the latest version. Next, third, backup and restore. Securely backup your files to the cloud or another location, allowing you to recover them in case of data loss. And four, centralized management. Manage user access, set permissions, and monitor file activity from a centralized web-based interface. And next, the benefit from remote file access, increased productivity, accessing files from anywhere can save time and improve workflow efficiency. And next, improved collaboration, real-time files sharing and editing facilitate teamwork and project completion. Enhanced security, protecting files with encryption and access controls have prevent data breaches. And for greater data availability, backing up files to the cloud ensures data availability even in case of hardware failure. And the last one, cost savings, remote remote file access can eliminate the need for physical storage device and reduce IT infrastructure costs. I think is enough.
Example of distributed file system divided by two. Plus, Android file system AFS, a distributed computing in environment developed at example of distributed file system divided by two. First, Android file system AFS, a distributed computing environment developed at Carnegie Mellon University, targeting scalability and security. Second, Network File System NFS, a distributed file system protocol that allows a user on a client computer to access file over a network as if the file were on the local hard disk.
Architecture of distributed file system. In a distributed file system, the overall storage space is managed by a DVS, which is composed of different remotely located smaller storage space. The system ensures transparency, security, performance, reliability, and availability of the file system service.
So the conclusion is distributed file system play a crucial role in modern computing environments, providing transparent and reliable access to files and data across network storage resources. Understanding their architecture and feature is essential for effectively managing and utilizing distributed file system. That's all from us. Thank you.
So, so that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.